How to turn off snooze feature on iPhone alarm. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the clock application on your iPhone. Once you're here, tap on the Alarms tab at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to a list of all your scheduled alarms. Find the alarm you wish to modify and tap on it to open its settings. On the Edit Alarm screen, you can change the alarm time by scrolling the hour and minute wheels. Now, turn the snooze feature off if it's on, by tapping the toggle switch next to it. Once you are done making your changes, tap on the checkmark in the top right corner to save them. You will now be returned to the main alarm screen, where you can see the updated alarm details. Following these steps, you can easily turn off snooze feature on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.